Hi everyone, my name is Assaf Barak. I'm a virtual wholesaler from Israel. I live in Israel. I work in a couple of different markets in the US. Um, and I've been using CosMoSys for um, about 3.5 months since the beginning of, since early this year, 2023. Now it's mid-April. So about 3.5 months, moved over from a similar platform, which I won't mention, after having a lot of trouble with that, with compliance issues and everything. And again, most of my almost all of my current lead generation is done by text messages. We send about between 500 to 600 new texts a day, sometimes to 1,200, even 1,500, depending on the list, depending on the day, depending on some lists are more get more leads. Some lists, like if we have already gone through the list, we usually will go through it again, like recycle it later, but with with more sending, like instead of 6 or 7 or 800 new ones a day, we'll send like 12, 13, 1,400 because we've already been through them. So there's less activity with them. Anyway, I've had great success with CosMoSys. First of all, the automation is amazing. I don't do everything fully automated. I do have a VA that kind of monitors the system, just to see that people are getting the right, not getting like weird answers, because it happens sometimes. If the system recognizes their reply as something different, so I have someone monitoring that. Um, Sometimes they don't get the right response, so she sends the right response, like a template. And also I use Podio for CRM, so she takes the leads that come through the system, um, and just uploads them to Podio. But other than that, this is really like a part-time. She works like 4 hours every day, just because I don't want to be monitoring or doing any of that. Um, but other than that, and also I'm an old school with the automation, so um, it's harder for me to get used to everything being automated. But I'm thinking of getting there. Anyway, I don't know what it is with CosMoSys, but the deliverability has been great. Obviously, it's a matter of which lists you use, what data, how good your data is, your script tracing, everything, um, the market, and obviously the follow up and closing and everything. But I can say that we're getting a lot of leads to the system. The automation works great for getting leads. Actually, just closed our biggest deal this year. From a text lead, from a lead that came to text, like really simple, just answered the 3 questions that we sent with the automation, and um, got, from there we picked up the phone and talked to her, and a $30,000 deal. So, and we have a lot of leads in the pipeline. We've been like hundreds of leads in just 3 months, just by working with the system. Again, the automation is great. The automatic replies. Sometimes we need to maybe do a little correction, but and I've tailored the workflows, the original workflows that Jamil built, a little bit to my needs, to the way I like doing things. But other than that, it's working great. Deliverability, response is great. Again, getting a lot of leads with very little effort. Other than that, Jamil's been great. His customer support is very good, very responsive. Every time I run into a problem or an issue, he very quickly replies. Either he has an answer already or a solution, or he looks for one for me. So it's been great working with him. And all I can say is I'm very happy about it. Very happy about the system. Never going back, and just it's worth every penny, and it's been working great for us. That's it. Hope you enjoyed.